Alright, so this video is going to be on how to install spools on your motorcycle to be able to lift it up in the rear. So what you do is you go to the bike here and find the foot peg. What you do is you'll follow the frame back, and down below near the rear sprocket you'll find a threaded hole. At least that's how it is on the CBR. What you'll do is you got your spool, this guy, slip that through there, then through there comes one piece. Now we'll go to this guy, and we'll it's hard with one hand. Okay, so we'll take it, we'll get started on there. Get started with hand. Then you're going to take your Allen key, once you get it tight, bring it in there and you're going to do a quarter turn, and then one more quarter turn. That's going to snug it up just right. Easy as that.